Today I'm going to show you how to add a PerfStack project as a widget to a dashboard. To start, you need to already have a PerfStack project defined. So let's find one. Go to My Dashboards, Home, Performance Analysis. You can build one of your own or load an existing one. We're going to use WAN utilization. Make sure it has the metrics you want, and then you can go back to whichever dashboard you want to add this to. In this case, we're going to add it to the NPM summary page. From your dashboard page, click the pencil to customize the page, and then add a widget. This widget was called WAN utilization, and there it is. You can take this and drag it to any position you like. We'll put it at the top of the second column. We are now done adding widgets, and we are done editing. And that's how you add a PerfStack project to a dashboard. Looking for more information on this topic? The SolarWinds Customer Success Center provides all the information you need to install, troubleshoot, and optimize your SolarWinds products. Visit the SolarWinds Customer Success Center.